Connect your web domain to your blog. Web hosting can be expensive. While the first year is discounted, renewing can cost as little as $70 per year. Adding the cost of renewing your domain, about $20, to that, each site can cost about $90 per year. For those with multiple sites, the cost can quickly add up. A cost-effective alternative is to use Blogspot, Google's free platform. Simply apply a professional theme and connect your domain to Bloggers servers. This way, you avoid paying for hosting while maintaining a modern, professional-looking site. The result? A 100% responsive site. It works well on mobile devices, well-structured and optimized for Google. Blogspot organizes content by categories and dates, allows comments and interaction with readers, has an internal search, and other useful features. You save on hosting, since it's free, and your blog that looks like a website gets an SSL certificate and a secure address, without paying anything extra for it. Then I teach you the steps. My domain is on GoDaddy. Now I'll go to the Blogspot platform and see my address. Let's go to the settings and enter the web domain. It will give an error because it is not connected. But the name and Google server records will appear, a type of DNS record that forwards your domain to an IP associated with Google, Blogger. You must copy this data, addresses, and in your domain manager in DNS create these records. You should then go to Blogspot and add the domain again in address. But wait 1 to 2 hours until it takes effect, and the connection is established and the DNS connection propagates. I hope you enjoyed it. Best regards, Silvio Guerrinha.